Seun Kuti, Seun Kuti, Seun Kuti. Everywhere I go this period on the internet, all I'm hearing is Seun Kuti. In case you don't know who Seun Kuti is one of the sons of Fela Kuti. Fela and Nikolapo Kuti, the legend. Seun Kuti is a younger brother to Femi Kuti. They are all Afrobeat artists. Now, he was arrested. First of all, he was summoned. Then now he has been arrested and behind bars for slapping a police officer. Now, first of all, the family of Fela Kuti is one family that is respected in Nigeria, both in the political sector and the entertainment sector, because Fela is being seen as somebody that is a pioneer of Afrobeat. Fela is the one that promoted Afrobeat around the world. Now, he died. His children has taken over. Femi Kuti has been promoting Afrobeat. Seun Kuti has been promoting Afrobeat all around the world. All around the world, yes. Seun Kuti is a Grammy artist. I don't know if I'm correct. Quote me wrong if I am not correct. But the boy is an international superstar Afrobeat singer. Yes, you can't take it from him. Now, slapping a police officer on uniform is a big offense. No matter what a policeman do to you, even if the policeman is drunk, it's not an excuse for you to slap a police officer. It is even an offense to slap a normal human being, an ordinary civilian. To slap like me now, I go and slap my fellow civilian, it's a crime. That person can seek redress of grievance, and I will pay. Even in all the court, you go and report that somebody slapped you. Wallahi, that person will pay that dearly for that. You can even go to jail for slapping somebody. How much more you now slap a police officer on uniform with the excuse that the officer is drunk? Don't tell us that one. Bazamu John number. You should not, on no account, should you slap a police officer. It is a crime. Now you see yourself. I don't know why some people just like trouble. You just wake up and who even advise you to even slap a police officer? It is wrong. Now he has been in the police cell. I know many of us don't know him. Many of us don't pay attention to news. That's why I've come to tell you, so that, you know, I always say this thing. My own is that when a news happen, when anything happen around the world, it's not only in Nigeria, around the world, if anything happen, I know we don't like to read. So my own is to break it down in a video I give to you. The only thing that will pain me is that if I tell you the update and you don't share the video so that others can even get the update, is where I will get angry with you. Now I will be giving you updates on what is happening with Seun Kuti, because his lawyer is Femi Falana, Pal's father. That is his lawyer, and that is the person that will. And now the police is even saying that the court should give them 12 days to hold the boy in the custody. And look at a picture of a superstar, international superstar. Look at what you do to yourself. I am not happy with you, Seun. And I like the guy. So this video, I want to beg the Inspector General of Police. It's a slap. Only slap. Ordinary slap. The best way to resolve the matter, take Seun Kuti to even Oshodi market or a big market in Lagos or center of the road, or go back to that bridge, Third Mainland Bridge, that he slapped the officer. Take him back there with the officer. Let the officer give him back a dirty slap. In fact, the officer can give him 2 dirty slaps so that we know that the matter will close. That Allah, please, IGP, I'm begging you on behalf of Pela that is gone and Femi that is his elder brother that is in Lagos. I am begging you on behalf of all the entertainers in the world, on behalf of the Nigerian entertainment industry, I am begging you, the IGP, to please forgive Seun Kuti for the slap. And the officer that they slapped, I want to beg you, this matter can be resolved. You can say, no problem. He don't slap me now. He don't finish. Or better still, come to outside. Slap him too back, please. But keeping a superstar on the ground with other inmates, that Allah, please. Pela's family is a very respected family. Please, let us come together. If you are watching this video, come together. Let us beg the IGP. So what you need to do, share this video so that the IG can see it and know that Nigerians are begging him to please temper justice with mercy. I know the boy has messed up. Please, Allah, please. He has family. I even heard that his wife brought food for him. The police refused to allow his wife to enter and give him food. Please, Allah, please. I'm begging the IGP. Forgive the boy. Please, temper justice with small mercy. Take him to third mainland bridge. Let that officer slap him back than to keep him with inmate. Please, that Allah, please. Share this video. Let the IG see it. Please, please. Please. Share the picture, share the video. Let the IG see it and comment on this video and say, please, IG, forgive. Just type and say forgive. Let the IGP see it. Please, that Allah, please. Please. Even as I'm still begging the IGP, some people will still watch this video and say, this one don't have sense. Somebody slapped police officer. He said they should forgive him. I know I don't have sense. But forgive him. It's a slap, one slap. And give him two back. Allah, please. I'm the spice creator. You can't take it from me. Malan Shaibu. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business. Thank you.